It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon for me now. I mean, not afternoon. Is it morning, afternoon? I'll say morning. But, oh yeah, I've got some Man United top on. Yes, I love Man United top on because I love Man United. Also, you know, today I'm making this video and then 2 more videos. But then tomorrow I have school, so I only make one again. Remember, at 3, 4, or 5. So yeah, and I'll probably play some darts today. I have to see. Probably play some darts today. I have to see, or I just talk to you guys. And Charlie, again, I'm shouting you out again. If you watch this video, I'm shouting you out. Anyway, peace.